The second software package you're going to need this semester is called OpenShot. OpenShot is an open source video editing software that's going to allow us to edit some of our images and videos together and create a more compressed and accessible video. So if you just Google OpenShot, it will take us to OpenShot Video Editor or openshot.org. And so if I open that, the download link is right there on the front page. Now, it's important to recognize that this is open source. This is completely free software for anyone to use for any reason. Open source is really nice. You don't have to pay for anything. And there are several other open source software packages for creating different types of art and digital media. So feel free to explore around some of those different packages as well. We're going to go ahead and download this to our computer. And it's kind of big. It's nowhere near as big as Maya. It's 120 megabytes. So once I get this downloaded, I can install the software and use it.
7 hours later.
So now that the software has been downloaded, I can start the installation process. So I'm going to choose English and I'll accept the agreement. And I'll go ahead and create a desktop shortcut, install, and the package should install pretty cleanly. You'll see that I actually already have it installed, and when you do, you should get an icon that looks something like this.